I just stopped by the cell card offices, and as always, when as I'm doing things here, I learned something new. What happened was I had run out of data because I had been using my hotspot to upload videos, which takes up a lot of data. And I renewed it yesterday instead of Mondays when I normally do. And I gave him the $2 for the extra data. And then when I got home, it didn't work. I had no data left. It didn't reset the use. So I had to go down to the main office today. By the way, last night I used a little tour company that topped off cell cards, not the main office. But I went to the main office today, and apparently, because I renew on Monday, even though I paid on a Sunday, that won't show up until automatically at the time it expires on Monday, if that makes sense. In other words, I could pay $2 on Saturday, but I still wouldn't have any data until Monday when it's popping up, unless I pay like $1 more to reset the date. So that's what happened. That does not seem safe at all. Gentleman is up there fixing wires. Whoa. Ooh, that, I don't know about that, man. Wow. But anyway, I got my phone all taken care of now. I have data again. So now I can upload. If you're seeing this video, you can thank Cellcard for being very, very helpful, by the way. They speak very good English at the main office. They understood my problem. He explained it to me, showed me what was going on. And now I'm distracted by this. Oh, and there we go. There we go, the pound cakes. Look at that. I don't know what's in those ones, but oh man, do they look tasty. Ooh, don't know what's in there. Okay, so I got a coffee, of course. Would not have been able to function without that. And now I'm on the quest for something to eat. That'll not make me feel like a fat load like like those pound cakes were. Those are actually breakfast food, I was told, but I don't know if I'd eat them for breakfast. I like them as a snack. Anyway, the quest for food is on. I'll let you know when I get there. Later. Walking through a little alley, up that way actually. Or if you're coming from that way, it's up there actually. Found this restaurant. Mom New River. We have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and that they do. Just wanted to show you some of the menu prices on the outside. And all food includes rice. You get free Wi-Fi with that. Look at those prices. You can't beat those prices. It is amazing. And you can get beer for 50 cents if you want. But if you look inside, you can see this place is nice. It's open. It's airy. Got lots of fans. Although they don't really need to be going now because it's breezy outside. And over here, you can see they have a special breakfast menu. Look at that. Look at the one right there on the bottom. If you can see it. Pork chop with french fries for $3. I don't know where else you would find something like that for that price. Even the fish amok, which is like the national dish of Cambodia, is only $2.50. Just how... Oh, I'm glad I found this place. I already love it. And here's some of the condiments you can see here. I have smelled them. This one I have no idea what it is. Very overpowering smell. But these, of course, are pepper flakes. They even smell spicy. They will clear up your sinuses if you take a big whiff. I, of course, am going to add them to my meal. Then you get your sauces and other condiments that I have no idea what they are. But yeah, not sure which alley this is, but if you can find this place, I would highly recommend it. Talk to you later. Whatever you said. I just want to give you guys an update on a restaurant I was at. I noticed this on a sign. I had to get one to go. Ooh, iced coffee with sweet milk for only 50 cents. That might be the cheapest in town. And it is delicious. Yeah, buddy. Just thought I'd show you the little alley. In case you're wondering where it is, it's right down the road from the famous Bugs Cafe. I have not ate there yet, but for those of you who don't know, all of their meals have some kind of bugs in them, and it's a pretty big thing. You can look on YouTube for Bugs Cafe, see 'em reap. And they have lots of videos with people showing you what they serve, how they serve them, and all that good stuff. But yeah, if you're interested in that restaurant, I would highly recommend it. It's cheap. You get full servings, by the way. I know a lot of people might be thinking at those prices you might get shorted on the food, but you do not. It was a very full plate of noodles I got with vegetables. And it was delicious, and it was only $1.50. Can't go wrong there. Talk to you guys later. Walking back, I just wanted you to see this. I don't want to get too close because they're doing some work, and I don't want them to think I'm filming them because they're weird or anything, but I did want to show you. They're harvesting what's called morning glory here. Morning glory is a vegetable green that is sometimes served by itself. You can get a fried morning glory dish if you want, but it's also in a lot of other dishes you'll get here. Basically, the bottom line is morning glory is simply river weeds, I guess you could call them. Kind of like seaweed, but not quite, because they come from the river. Despite that, it actually tastes really good. I'm actually a fan of morning glory. However, the term morning glory comes from the fact, like a lot of other foods here in Southeast Asia, that if men eat enough of it, they will get their morning quote unquote glory back, if you know what I mean. And I'm talking about the penis. That's the belief anyway. I just like it because it tastes good, despite the fact that it comes out of a river that if I jumped in would probably make me grow a tail or something. But that's how it's done here. Nothing's ever easy. They have to jump in, scoop it up from the bottom, then they just grab clumps. They're done now, unfortunately, but they grab clumps and throw it to the next guy like a chain, and then that guy picks it up, throws that clump to the next guy, and pretty soon it's up on the shore over there where they gather it. They'll go and sell it to restaurants, I'm assuming, for their dishes, and make some money along the way. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you. Talk to you later.